set on the 6th of November. And we're just waiting to see now if the weather forecast man got it right and we're going to have this big storm. So the forecast for the night is it's supposed to be extremely cold. So